Welcome. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to set your conversation list density to compact in the Gmail app. This update ensures you get a neat, space-efficient view of your email conversations, making your inbox look cleaner and easier to manage. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once your inbox is displayed, locate the menu icon. That's the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen, and tap on it. Next, scroll down through the menu options and tap on Settings. This will open a new screen with various customization options for your Gmail account. Inside Settings, look for and tap on General Settings. This is where you control the overall appearance and behavior of the app. In General Settings, you'll find an option called Conversation List Density. Tap on it to see the available display options. You'll notice 3 choices here: Default, Comfortable, and Compact. Select Compact to make your inbox display more emails in a tighter, streamlined format. Once you select Compact, the app will automatically apply the setting. Now, when you return to your inbox, you'll see that your email conversations are listed in a denser layout. This setup helps you view more messages at a glance, without unnecessary spacing. This option is perfect if you prefer a minimalist, efficient interface, or if you want to maximize the number of visible emails on your screen. That's all there is to it. Changing your Gmail conversation list density to compact is a simple way to customize your inbox for better readability and productivity. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new streamlined Gmail experience.